Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y35, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and somewhere on one of the pages you'll find the Do Not Disturb mode. For me it's somewhere. Come on, where is it? Am I blind? I must be. Oh, yep, I am blind. So it's on the second page right over here and it's already enabled. So I'm going to turn it off for now. So as you can see, there it is. And you can hold the toggle, which will take you to the settings. And I do recommend doing that at least the first time around, because in here you can just get a glance at how it's set by default. And if something doesn't fit your exact needs, you can just change it. Now, the more important parts of this would be things like people, which will allow you to set up who can call you and message you. Schedule, which will allow you to set up an automatic schedule, so it will start and end at a provided day of the week and time, so pretty nice. And also you have a duration for quick settings, which defines what happens when you actually tap on the toggle right here, once you actually find it, like me. And by default it is set to be until you turn it off, but you can choose, for instance, a time specific one, so you can add whatever many hours you want. And once you confirm this with, for instance, 4 hours, it will always turn on for exactly 4 hours. But if you select ask every time, it will give you the two first options with a timer, so you can change that timer every time you tap on the toggle. So it will bring up the option right here and just start off with 1 hour, and you can just add plus if you want to, which will, like I said, allow you to customize it every single time. So anyway, I'm gonna select this for now. You can go to other settings and see what you want to change, but once you have done so, you can then find the toggle right here, click on it, and because I do have it set to bring this up every time, it brings up the window. I can select which option I want, then I can select turn on, and that's it, it's now running. And once you're done, you can also manually turn it off by finding the toggle once more, tapping on it, and there we go, it's now turned off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.